Right, bit of a weird one today. This is task 343, types of data, the MyMaths walkthrough. I've got to state whether each of the variables in the question are either qualitative, discrete or continuous. Let's have a look what they mean. So qualitative, and that's a quality of something. So is it blue, is it black, is it soft, is it hard, or that type of thing. I've got discrete, which is something you might just count and it's like just a 1, 2, 3 job. And I've got continuous, which is some sort of measurement of the thing. So the idea between continuous is you can continually get a better and better measurement depending on how you measure it, right? So my statements are, I've got the time taken to go 100 meters, okay, and that's going to be a continuous measurement because I can measure that for 100 meters. I can measure it in seconds. I can measure it to the nearest tenth of a second, the nearest hundredth of a second, and so on, so I can get a better and better measurement of the time taken to go 100 meters. The next one, I've got the number of sprouts in a bag. This is mine. That's going to be discrete because that's just a count, the number of things. You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprouts in the bag. Oh no, sprouting potatoes, not sprouts. So sprouting potatoes, that means potatoes which are starting to grow again by themselves, which weird looking potatoes. That's still discrete because you're just counting them. And the last one, I've got the height of students. And the height of students is going to be a continuous measurement because again you can measure that to the nearest metre, to the nearest centimetre, the nearest tenth of a centimetre, hundredth of a centimetre and so on, and you get better and better measurements for the height of something. So notice on this one I've actually got 2 which are continuous, 1 discrete. I haven't got any of the qualitative things. These are just continuous, discrete and continuous for my set. Okay, on page 2, oh, we can listen to the news at the same time. Just shut that up. Oh, I did there. Press something weird. Oh, press the channel instead of the volume. Now I'm on the radio. Shut up, TV. Right, the next thing I've got is to match things. So, what we're going with here, data collected from the whole population. So that's called a census. When you get something from everybody, that's a census. Census is the first one. Data which can be counted is going to be discrete data. That's my second next one, so then I've got discrete. Data that has been collected by someone else, that's called secondary data. So someone else has actually collected that in. And data which uses words, that must be qualitative data, data which uses the words like its colour and so on. So I've got secondary and then I had qualitative data for my set on MyMaths. There we go, we've got the MyMaths task completed. Let's see if we can mark it and get 100%. Yes, we did. Have a go yourself, see what you can come up with. Close homework. Oh, turn off camera.